A and B start walking at the same time from P and Q towards each other respectively. The ratio of their speed before meeting is 4:15, but after meeting, A's speed is 3 times that of his previous speed. What fraction of the original speed should B walk at so as to reach P at the same time as A reaches Q? So whatever information is given to us, let's try to put it on the timeline. So there are two people involved, A and B. They are moving towards each other. A is moving from P towards Q and B is moving from Q towards P. Now, whenever they are going to meet for the first time, at whatever place. So let us say this is their first meeting point. This is their first meeting point. So what is the ratio before their meeting? The ratio of their speed before meeting is 4:15. So let me say the speed of A is 4, whatever may be the unit, kilometer per hour or meter per second, and that of B is 15 meters per second or kilometer per hour, respectively. So by the time A cover 4 parts, B has to cover 15 parts if they want to meet. I am assuming the distance between P and Q as 19 parts. Out of these 19 parts, A must have covered 4 parts, B must have covered 15 parts, so they will meet for the first time at the given point. What has happened after this? After their meeting, of course, A will go in this direction and B will go towards B. Now A has increased his speed 3 times. So I need to understand what should be the original time taken by A to reach Q, right? 15 part cover usko karna hai with the speed of 5. So this should be the time taken by A to reach Q, correct? This was the actual time, but as per the new condition, A has increased his speed to 3 times of his original speed. मतलब उसको time भी 1/3 लगेगा. Now the new time required by A to reach Q should be 1/3 of the previous time, which will become 5/4. Right? Now, what is asked? What fraction of the original speed should B walk at so as to reach P at the same time? अब देखिए, A is moving towards Q and B is moving towards P. But whatever time is taken by A to go from first meeting point to Q, in the same time, B is going to reach P from the same meeting point. Right? That means now time taken we know 5/4 and how much distance B has to cover 4 units. So time or the speed of B or new speed of B should be equal to 4 parts he needs to cover in what time? 5/4, which is equal to 16/5. And I want to find out this new speed is how many times of the original speed. We know the original speed of B was 15. So 15 how many times equals to 16/5? I can get my answer as 16/75, which is my option number 7. Again, I can categorize this question as the difficult one, but with the proper application of the knowledge and the concept of time, speed, and distance, you can handle it very